Hello and namaste everybody. I am Surbhi, the face behind Sooti, and today I am going to tell you about our ruffle pouches, that is ruffle pouch bags. So these are very cute. There are ruffles all around it, and these can be used as these are quite mini with very minimalistic design, and these can be used as organizers for minimal things. You can use it for keeping lipsticks, for keeping charger wraps, chargers or earphones, and many other things. So I have here organized few of my stuff in this one, which I am going to show you. So see, this is gray dots, and I have kept in this. See, I have kept my lipsticks, all my lipsticks and nail paints in it. So there are many lipsticks that the bag can accommodate. This, and it also has pocket at the back. So I kept my lip balm in that. And the bag also has a back pocket. It comes with earphone holder. So you can wrap your earphones over this thing, and it's an earphone holder of ours if you have noticed. These are also available in different colors on our website, but with this bag it's complimentary. So yes, and there is this bag sling that you can just wear it as a cross bag, and yeah, it's good to go. So this was about our grey bag. Okay. Now let me show you other bags as well. So this is our bag red. It's very beautiful. Now this is green polka. This is also quite quirky and fun. For the people who love polka dots, this is a must. Then we have jungle grey. It's also very quirky. See, okay, and now we have ikat black. So as I was telling that you can keep your chargers and other gadgets in this bag, if not cosmetics. So there is this. See, I have kept this earphones are tied along with it, and if you require to use your earphones, then you can just uh, remove the wire or the earphones from the wrap as much as you require, and still let the holder remain in the wrap itself, so you know the earphones won't tangle if the earphones will be kept in it. So see, here it is. Now you can connect this with your phone and still use it, and the earphones remain intact in the wrap itself. So it's quite a functional accessory. And see, I have kept my charger in this. So yes, here it is. Ikat black. Now we have ikat pink. Then this is bark blue. This is also very beautiful thing. So yes, these are our bags. ruffle pouch bags. These are very beautiful and these can be customized with names and everything. So these can be gifted to your friends, to anybody who loves minimalistic thing, or your best friend or your sister. Anybody can, like, these are so cute. Uh, even even these can be a perfect gift accessory for kids. So this is it. This is about our bags. Hope you like them. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like our Instagram page and follow us on Facebook with the name of Sooti Grams. Sooti Grams is our Insta handle and our website is sooti.in. So please just you can browse our accessories, what else do we have, and let us know in the video how you like the bags. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.